it's Geisha Live! In this video, I will make matcha cheesecake and strawberry cheesecake. Yay! So first, let's make strawberry jelly. Remove the stems from the strawberries and place in the blender. It's a little early in the strawberry season, but in Germany, you can now find strawberries in the supermarkets. The strawberries are so sweet and delicious that it would be a shame to crush them in a blender. Heat over low heat in a saucepan and add sugar. Remove from heat as gelatin will be added later. So next, let's make matcha jelly. Heat water and dissolve matcha powder and sugar thoroughly. I should have filtered once to get rid of the matcha foam. Let's make the cream cheese filling next. Let the cream cheese stand at room temperature until it becomes soft like this. Add sugar and mix until creamy. Add heavy cream and mix well. Add the Greek yogurt and lemon juice and mix well. I have a mouth ulcer on my tongue and it hurts like hell. My voice is a little low because I did my best to narrate the procedure while fighting the pain. If you think I did a great job, please click the like button. Divide the filling into half for the strawberry cheesecake and half for the matcha cheesecake. Divide the gelatin powder in half and place in 2 cups for the matcha cheesecake and the strawberry cheesecake. To bloom gelatin powder, start by soaking it in a small amount of cold water. Sprinkle the gelatin evenly over the water and let it absorb for about 5 minutes. Add a tablespoon of cream to the soaked gelatin powder and heat in a microwave oven without boiling. When rough heat is removed, add to the filling for strawberry cheesecake and mix well. Pour the prepared filling into a heart-shaped mold. This will later be used as petals to make cherry blossoms. I should have used a piping bag. Chill them in the refrigerator until firm. Beim Schneiden meiner Videos denke ich immer an meine liebe Familie, die in Japan lebt, weit weg von mir. Natürlich denke ich auch an meine lieben Zuschauer, die sich meine albernen Videos immer wieder anschauen. Ich schätze es auch richtig, dass ihr da seid. Was wir jeden Tag für selbstverständlich halten, ist eigentlich gar nicht so. Drückst du deine Dankbarkeit gegenüber deiner Familie, deinen Freunden und deinem Partner dafür aus, dass sie für dich da sind? Add a little matcha powder to the filling for the matcha cheesecake. Do not add it too much, so the filling has a nice light green color. Process step 7 with the soaked gelatin powder prepared in the other cup. Once the rough heat is removed, add to the filling for matcha cheesecake and mix well. Pour the prepared filling into the heart-shaped mold and chill them in the refrigerator until firm. People with IBS and SIBO symptoms can't eat dairy, so I will make pineapple jelly instead. Just heat pineapple juice in a small saucepan, dissolve the agar, and put it in cups. Easy, right? There are people with various illness and symptoms, but when we get together, we want to eat delicious food together. It is too tough if only you can't eat delicious food. Let's try many possibilities. Referring to step 6, heat the soaked gelatin powder in a microwave oven and add it to the pre-made strawberry juice and mix well. Pour over the chilled filling and chill in the refrigerator again until the jelly is firm. Repeat the same process for matcha jelly as for strawberry jelly. I decorated my cheesecake in cups to make it easier to eat individually at parties. but you can also make it in a large cake mold. In that case, I suggest making the base of the crust with cookies and butter. These are for gifts. When decorated like this, they look like Sakura, right? These are for guests and also made to look like Sakura. Easter is coming up soon, so when you get together with family and friends, you should definitely give this recipe a try. Of course, you can also make it alone and enjoy it all by yourself. Hehe. Put 5 hard cups in a box like this. They look like cherry blossom, don't they? If you can give them as souvenirs, you can surprise your family and friends. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. See you in the next video. Bye bye. Nyaki nyaki.